everyone, welcome back to Measuremix. I have a DIY for you today, but before I get started, I just wanted to say thank you so much for subscribing to my channel and showing me so much support, especially down in the comments below. You guys are so awesome, and I did not expect to get to 100 subscribers, so I'm really excited, and I have just been enjoying YouTube and enjoying meeting so many new people and finding so many new channels out there. It's just a wonderful experience. So I just wanted to take a minute and say thank you. I will be doing a giveaway hopefully in the next couple weeks. I was trying to wait till I got to that 1,000 subscriber mark, so hopefully that will happen soon, so stay tuned for that. But for today, I am going to be doing a DIY for you, so stick around. Alright guys, so for this project, I am going to be doing a DIY wood Dachshund rope sign. So I got this inspiration from Pinterest, of course. I found a website on there and they were selling these beautiful rope signs in all these different type of nautical and ocean themed decor. So I wanted to make one because they were ranging from about $200 to $300 or $400 for the signs. So I thought I would make my own, and I wanted to do a Dachshund on it because I have a Dachshund. His name is Mr. Douglas, and I've always wanted a Dachshund home decor piece. So I thought this would be a perfect opportunity to do that. So for the sign, I have here just 4 pieces of pallet that I put together, and I put it together with another 2 pieces on the back and just nailed them. And then I already stained this with a dark walnut stain. So this is the base of my sign. Then I have here a marble contact paper, which you can use any sort of contact paper for this. This is just what I had lying around, so that's just what I'll be using because you won't actually be seeing the contact paper on here. This is just to make the design. And then I have some scissors, a pen here. I have my chalk paint and my paintbrush. I have rope and my hot glue gun, and then also a standing block to sand it afterwards if I wanted to stress it. So let's get started. Alright guys, so the first step here is to draw my Dachshund silhouette onto my contact paper, and then I will cut it out. So don't laugh because I'm not the greatest drawer. I have my iPad here and I just Googled Dachshund silhouette, and I have a picture right here that came up, so I'm just going to try to copy this onto my contact paper. Alright guys, so now that I have my Dachshund shape cut out, what I'm going to do is just peel the contact paper off here and place it onto the wood and make sure that there's no bubbles or anything. And then I will take my white paint and my paintbrush and I will just brush the white paint over. And then once the white paint is dry, I can peel the contact paper off and I should have the silhouette of a brown Dachshund on here. So here we go. Alright, so one little note here is I did not like how my snout was on here. So I cut a little piece of extra contact paper and I'm just going to lift it up and place it underneath so that I can make my snout design a little bit thicker. All right, so here is the moment of truth. The paint is pretty much dry, so I'm just going to peel the contact paper off, and we should be left with a silhouette of a dachshund. So I am amazed that actually worked and looks decent. So next on my list is I'm gonna take this rope and I'm just gonna outline the dachshund with the rope, and I'm gonna use the hot glue to hold the rope down. All right guys, thank you so much for watching this DIY wood dachshund sign. This right here is Mr. Douglas. He was the inspiration for this sign. He's just the best loving dog in the whole entire world. And if you guys like this video, please give me a thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, hit that subscribe button down below if you like home decor and DIY videos. Also, don't forget to hit the bell if you don't want to miss out on any new videos, especially that giveaway that I will be doing here soon. So that's all guys. Have a great day. Bye-bye.